Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef for tacos. First, grab 1 pound of ground beef and a large skillet. Heat the skillet over medium-high heat, then add the beef. As it cooks, use a spoon or spatula to break it into small, even pieces. This ensures a consistent texture for your tacos. Once browned, drain any excess fat from the skillet. This step is crucial for a delicious, less greasy taco filling. Now that your beef is browned, it's time to add some serious flavor. Pour in 1/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning. Stir everything together really well, making sure the seasoning coats all the beef. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the liquid to reduce, creating a rich, savory sauce. Your taco beef is almost ready. Give it a quick taste test and add a pinch more salt or seasoning if you think it needs it. Remember, personal preference is key here. Once seasoned to your liking, keep the beef warm on low heat until you're ready to assemble your tacos. While it stays warm, prepare your favorite taco shells, whether soft tortillas or crispy, and gather all your delicious toppings. Finally, it's time to enjoy your amazing homemade beef tacos. Spoon the warm, flavorful beef into your prepared taco shells. Load them up with your favorite toppings like shredded lettuce, a generous sprinkle of cheese, fresh salsa, or a dollop of sour cream. The possibilities are endless, so get creative. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, *The Simple Path to Wealth*, and other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.